Normally, turning a rough presentation into a polished client-ready deck takes hours. But today, I have less than 10 minutes to transform this unfinished robotics presentation into something I can actually send to a client using AnyGen AI Slides. So let's see if AnyGen AI Slides can actually generate a polished presentation from scratch. And I'll also test its boss mode to apply multiple edits across the deck at once. First, head over to Google, search for AnyGen, open the official website, and log in with your email. As soon as you log in, you'll land on its main dashboard where you get a very clean and professional interface with all the templates and tools available in one place. Once you log in, go straight to Build Slides. This is where AnyGen can turn an existing file, rough ideas, or even a prompt into a polished presentation workflow. Since I already had a rough robotics presentation prepared, I simply uploaded it into AnyGen. Let me show you. Right now, the slides look unfinished, inconsistent, and honestly nowhere near client ready. I simply selected that option and uploaded my rough robotics presentation file. As soon as the upload was completed, the platform automatically generated a smart prompt saying, "Redesign the uploaded slides with a clean, modern, and professional look while keeping all the original content unchanged." You can also attach files, images, and additional resources directly inside the workflow. And once everything is ready, simply click on Send. Now, as you can see, the presentation processing was going on, and within a few moments, the entire presentation was completely enhanced and generated professionally. What actually surprised me is that this first version already looks usable. It doesn't feel like a rough AI draft. It already looks close to something I could genuinely present or send to a client. Just look at the overall quality. The platform redesigned everything in a highly polished way, generated all the slides properly, and even enhanced the visuals and images perfectly. You can see how clean and professional every slide looks after the enhancement. Along with that side, you also get a built-in chat option where you can continue editing, make changes, customize slides further, and manage everything directly from there. After that, you get multiple powerful editing modes. For example, the boss mode, where you can simply select any part of the slide and instantly make changes or enhancements. You can also add new slides, insert icons and graphics, generate AI images directly inside the presentation, and continue customizing everything visually. As you can see, the image has now been generated successfully. And to place it inside the presentation, I simply need to click on Insert. And just like that, the image gets added to the slide perfectly. In the same way, you can enter any theme or prompt and further customize or edit the generated visuals however you want. You also get formatting options for additional customization. Now, let me show you the feature that honestly makes AnyGen feel less like a normal slide generator and more like an AI teammate: Boss Mode. To use it, simply click on Boss Mode and you'll see a comment-style editing box appear on the screen. This is AnyGen's Boss Mode, where I can leave multiple edit instructions across different slides and apply all the changes at once instead of editing everything slide by slide. For example, if I select this text and want to make changes, I can simply type my instruction like, "I want to change the font of the text into bold and also change the color of the text into dark green."
I can type the instruction, save it as an edit comment, then add more instructions across the deck. Once all the comments are ready, I click Apply once, and AnyGen updates all the requested changes together.
In the same way, you can add more instructions anywhere you want.
As you can see, I wanted to add some social media logos to the front page, and it added them automatically. I generated this using Bose mode, which made the process quickly in few clicks.
And editing isn't limited to AI suggestions. I can also directly edit the text, images, layout, and design elements manually, just like working inside a traditional presentation editor.
Instead of manually fixing slides one by one, I can leave multiple edit instructions across the presentation. AnyGen updates everything together automatically. I just want to make a few changes to the background design, so I'll simply paste another prompt for that as well. Now, the background changes I requested have been applied successfully, and as you can see, it has generated a much more futuristic, robotic-style background for me. Now, as you can see, all the changes I asked for have been applied successfully. The text has been professionally transformed into a dark green style, and the overall look feels much cleaner and more polished. And even after generation, you still have full control to customize fonts, spacing, alignment, visuals, and everything else however you want.
So this started as a rough, unfinished robotics deck, and now it looks like something I could actually send to a client or present in a meeting.
And even after generation, you still have complete control to continue customizing the presentation however you want. So Now, all the editing and customization work is completely done. And at this point, the presentation looks very polished and professional to me. Once everything is ready, the next step is exporting the presentation. For that, you'll find a download option at the top. Simply click download and export the presentation as a PowerPoint, PDF, or other formats. And now the final PowerPoint is completely ready. I can directly send this to a client, present it in a meeting, or continue editing it inside PowerPoint like a normal professional deck. If you want to try the same AI Slides workflow yourself, I'll leave the exact process and prompt idea in the pinned comment along with the AnyGen link in the description. You can even save the final presentation as a reusable template for future projects. And just like that, the final presentation is completely ready to send.